How is your practice going on?
Yeah, so far good. I get confidence. Yeah,
Okay. And do you practice every single day?
yeah. Every single day when I get time, that time I going to talk someone, and I have a YouTube channel also. So
Okay.
I'm trying to vlog daily vlog.
Okay.
But I'm no, but I did. I'm just upload that video.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Tamil Nadu. Where are you from?
I'm from West Bengal.
Yes, Bengal. Okay. Are you farmer?
Yeah, I'm not a farmer, but I belong to village area. Yeah.
Okay, nice
And
one.
right now I am on the field area. You can see everywhere all are greenery.
Okay, okay. And also a rural area. It's
Yeah.
right now I'm in auto stand actually, an
Yeah.
auto
Yeah.
driver.
So we are meeting very first time. Yeah. We don't know about. I mean, we don't know about ourselves. Who are you and where are you from? Currently, what do you do? So before
Yeah,
starting our conversation, we should introduce ourselves. First of all,
yeah,
First of all, introduce yourself.
yeah. I'm Anbu. I completed BSc Computer Science, and
Okay.
uh, I'm right now doing. I'm owning auto rickshaw. Last 9 years I have been working as auto driver. And I'm married. I have two daughters. Yeah. Before I had a supervisor job from VKC Footwears as a supervisor, and
Okay.
yeah, that's it. What about you?
Yeah, yeah, it is wonderful introduction, and it is my turn. First of all, thank First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am
Yeah.
Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal, and
Okay.
by profession, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant, and I
Mm.
have been working over there more than 10 years.
Oh,
If I
good.
talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But
Ah,
nowadays,
we are
but
same page.
nowadays I nowadays I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time.
Yeah, yeah.
But in this
Mm.
time, my goal is I want to become a good English speaker. This is
Yeah.
my goal. That's why I am using this platform. Yeah. On the
Yeah.
other hand,
Mm.
I run one YouTube channel which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction.
Okay, okay. You send the link. I'm going to subscribe. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
When
Yeah.
you
After Thomas.
yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
how long have you been learning this language?
Yeah. Uh, Last 1 year have been learning this English.
Okay. One
Yeah,
year.
yeah, 1 year. 1 year
And
before I couldn't make a one sentence, but continuously I'm practicing. No, so that's why somehow I got a hope.
okay. And you have been learning this language more than 1 year. And at
Yeah,
the beginning time, when you started your English journey, at that time, did you join any coaching center? Did you go anywhere for learning this language?
no, no, no. I don't have that much money, man. You know, why I want to spend. No,
Yeah.
uh, it's self-learning. Watching movies, reading books, and talking someone strangers like that. No, so that
Yeah.
only I'll just observe what they speaking and I'll just imitate them. It's a shadowing practice actually. So I did lot and I watch lot of movies like daily one movie like that. So when I get free, suppose I didn't get any right that time I'm going to watch one scene from that movie. So the whole day
Okay.
I'll spend one movie. So somehow it's very useful for me.
Yeah. Yeah. Nowadays, yeah, I observed that if you have a smartphone, yeah,
Yeah,
you don't go anywhere. Always staying at your home and using your smartphone, you can learn this language.
yeah,
Nowadays, the social media is available. Yeah, if you want to search on the YouTube,
yeah,
yeah, how will you learn this language very easily? You will get so many video. Yeah,
yeah.
and
We
after
want to
watching,
be
after
passionate.
watching,
Yeah, we want to passionate that
yeah,
what we are going to achieve. No, we want to consistent. That is easily we can achieve that. First initial stage only we get struggle, and after
okay,
when we practicing the same kind of way of training, no, definitely one day it will be going to be achieved.
okay. And sir,
Yeah,
I would like to ask. I would like to ask one question to you. Right now, also, you are doing a job as a auto driver, and you have been working over. And how long have you been working as a auto driver?
Uh, 9 years. You
Nine
mean
years.
yeah, 9 years.
But after completing 9 years, and why did you think you have to learn this language? I mean, why are you learning this language? Why are you using this platform? What is the
Yeah,
reason behind it?
yeah, I want to teach my daughters, right? They are
Okay,
studying. One daughter, she's studying UKG. Okay. One
okay,
daughter is 10 years, 10 days old actually. 10 days old.
okay. 10 days.
Yeah.
New baby gone. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Baby born actually. So, so I want to give good atmosphere to speak English. I want to give good education. So I'm the responsibility. I'm the only graduate in my family like that. No, first graduate you can say. My wife also studied. I'm the first graduate in my family, so I want to teach them. Okay, how to speak English like that. First of all, I want to learn. That's only we can teach. No, so that's why. Yeah, teachers
okay,
also they can manage, but somehow we also responsibility, right? In the school, okay,
yeah,
we teach they can manage, but in our home, we want to give better, better atmosphere to speak on something. So that's why.
yeah. Yes, yes, you're right. Yeah, nowadays I belong to West Bengal and I belong to village area. There is no good English environment. Yeah, no
Yeah,
one speak English in my locality. No one speak English at my house. That's why
yeah,
it is so difficult for learning this language. It is so difficult. And sir,
yeah,
you have completed your graduation, but in which
yeah.
subject you have completed your graduation?
I'm completed BSc Computer Science.
Okay, VSc,
Yeah,
Bachelor of
BSc.
Science.
Yeah, yeah. But actually, I forgot what I'm studying now. Fully, I forget actually. Because I didn't test the computer after no the last
Yeah,
10 years something. I didn't test computer. I don't know what is the programming language. That time only I know. Like when I studied, no, that time
yeah,
only
yeah.
C plus plus Java something. No, so right now I don't know. I don't know anything. Suppose if
Okay.
I there give some time to um, time to know, definitely I'll grab some kind of knowledge. Maybe six
Okay.
months enough, I think. Yeah,
Yeah. And sir, you have a two daughters, and for children, you are learning this language. And
yeah,
nowadays, do you teach to your daughter?
yeah, yeah. Yeah. Like small sentence. I'm using
Okay,
50-50. 50 means 50 percentage my mother tongue, 50 percentage English. So that only they can understand what I'm saying. No, slowly I have to increase gradually increase. No, see 60%, 70%, 90%, 100%. So
yeah,
every year we want to increase, or every 3 months we want to increase percentage. So that only they can
yes.
understand. If you fully speak English, no, they can't understand.
Yes, actually, environment is very important. Yeah, environment plays very vital role. Always
Yeah,
you have to always you have to create a good English environment for your child at your house. Yeah, so that
yeah,
they can learn this language very easily. Environment plays very vital role. And I have one daughter. I have one daughter. Right now
mm,
she is 5 years old. She is 5 years old. And
mm,
whenever I get free time, I try to teach. I try to teach her. Yeah, in English, but she
mm.
does not want to read and write. Yeah, she always likes to play here and
Yeah,
there.
yeah. That's why we can't fully force, right? We want to whatever we try to give some knowledge, but
Yeah.
they can understand. Slowly they can understand what we saying. No, they can slowly understand. But we want to give some time because we don't put hard. So that babies know they have
Yeah, yeah.
not that kind of. So we want to wait.
Mm.
Yeah.
Sir, nowadays you have been learning this language more than 1 year, but nowadays, how much time do you practice every single day nowadays?
Every single day I spend 5 hours.
5 hours.
Yeah, like speaking and listening and reading, watching. I'm telling the whole kind of process. It'll took 5 hours in a day.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah,
Yeah, practice is the most important key. Always you have to practice regular basis. Yeah, without practicing, we cannot learn anything in this world. Practice is
yeah,
the most important thing. Sir, I would like to ask one question to you. I have heard that who belong to southern part, mostly Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Kerala.
yeah,
Over there, most of the
yeah,
people they always speak English very well, and they always speak their native language, otherwise English. They don't want to speak Hindi language. Is it right
yeah.
or wrong?
Yeah, it's right actually. Because every people they want to speak their mother tongue, right? And after
Yes.
straightly they want to go English. So that is you are also like a same kind of person. Like you have your mother tongue, right? But straightly going to English. So it's a connecting bridge actually. So we can't learn every language, right? The two languages
Yes.
enough we want to communicate. So that's the reason actually. Suppose if I get any job in for any North India or something, no, that time automatically I can learn because the surrounding peoples and I can consume English, no, sorry, Hindi. So that time I can easily learn, but we can't force. Suppose if you like English, that time you force yourself. So that is you can easily
Yeah.
learn English, but the another language not that kind of love I don't have. So what can you do? So that's why we don't know anything. Straightly we go into English because we want to
And
communicate.
do you
We
do you
suppose I get any job, no, that time I want to communicate them. So I want to interact the interviewer like that. So that time I have to speak. So that's why I'm learning English.
okay, okay. And do you know Hindi language?
Little bit, not that much, because
Okay.
before I had a job in vacation footwear. That time the every people they were talking about Hindi language. So that time I can understand little bit, but not that much. But somehow I can understand what they speaking like that. It's like we can say 30%. We can say I can understand, but
Okay, okay.
yeah, in future I don't know if I get any job or any other state. That I'm definitely going to learn any language.
Yeah, yeah. But in our country, I noticed that in our country there are 29 states in our country, and
Yeah,
most of the states and
yeah,
Hindi is spoken over there. Apart from
yeah,
southern part, only Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, at that place, yeah,
yeah,
Hindi is not spoken over there. But on the
yeah,
other state of our country, Hindi is spoken over there.
yeah. Slowly it will be changed, man. Because every North Indian people's also here also. So they were talking something we can understand. So slowly it will be change everything, maybe. And after 1 decade, we can everybody is speaking every language. I think so. That kind of things it will be take some time. So I don't know exactly. I saw a lot of people's North Indian people's here also. They are working. They were working somewhere else. So that time they are asking, I want to go there. I want to like that. So that time I can understand. Okay, what they are speaking, you can understand. So that is enough, right? Slowly, uh, you can understand because some rural areas, some our parents didn't go any other state, right? They were staying here only. That time they don't know exact how many language it is they are speaking. They don't know. Okay, right. So how many
Yes,
languages there? They don't know. So they are it's a small world. Their world is small world. So they are thinking if you North Indian, they are thinking like abroad. Okay,
yes,
like
yes.
yes, that kind of things is here. So we can't change suddenly. It will be change to take for 10 years, 20 years. So that only it will be change everything. It's a slow
Yeah,
process actually. But I'm not
yeah,
against any
exactly.
language. I want to learn every language because if you learn one language, you can easily grab knowledge from there. Suppose it's beautiful things also there also, here also. So suppose if you learn any language, new language, you easily be careful, man.
Yeah, yeah.